Okay, you can hear that compressor is working. Now what I've actually done is I've just run a link wire to it. So I'll show you me disconnecting all that now. So it's obviously more than just the controller. So if I just unplug the power, see that compressor is actually operating now. Unplug the power, remove my link wire. All it is a wire with two ends on it. Hook in my thermostat cables. Okay, and plug in the power again. And as you can see, the compressor's not kicking in. So there's a problem with the thermostat or this little controller again.